Finally, the wait is over, the moment for which everyone was waiting. The price counter is live. And here I will tell you how to claim the Ranger tire swags. Similarly, the process is same for the Ranger, Champion and Legend tire. You have to follow the same process. First of all, you need to check your mail you have received regarding the price counter. All the details are mentioned over here. If you are unable to see, just check the spam section. Now here all the details are mentioned, like how much points you have earned. Some important tips and tricks you need to understand that you have to fill accurate shipping information like your name, mobile number, address should be correct and accurate. Second thing is that whatever you enter won't be modified. So while filling the address, let me show you how to fill it. Do not worry, and you'll be able to complete the form. Now, third thing is that uh, suppose if you are having any points like you are having 100 points, you might be thinking about what happened to my 5 remaining points. So the answer is that you have to claim the points depending on your milestone. If you are in legend tier, that means even though you have to 120 points, the rest remaining points will be wasted. Now, without any delay, let's come to the claim process. So this is our host website where the price counter is open. This time they use the same interface and it is via the really very unique. Now here you can see all these facts are automatically selected. Here we have to select only the hoodie size. Depending on our size, you have to select the hoodie size, for example L. Then here is the size chart also. If you want to see the size chart according to your size chart, just select the size and just click on done. Now click on the next, and here you have to enter the shipping information. For example, your email is whatever email in which you have received the email, you have to mention at the rate of email. So whatever is your email, you have to mention over here. Select your country. If you are from India, just select India. And if you are from different country, just select a country according it. Now here you have to enter your full name, full legal name. You can name your whatever name is present in your Arcade account, you can fill it. Now address line 1, whatever address is your address means physical address where your swags want to be get delivered. For example, it can be hostel address, college address, your personal address. Do not worry. And do not use autofill if you are using multiple, means your brother and sister are also taking part in it. Make sure you both log in with different accounts, means different devices. Like your brother orders from the mobile phone, your sister is ordering from the laptop. Now here you have to mention all your address, like wherever you are residing and want to get the stocks to get delivered. Similarly, city, state, zip code, pin code means whatever your pin code is there, mobile number without country code. As you have selected India, then there it's already pre-populated. Now you have to just click on I agree, and then simply submit your order. Once you submit your order, you'll be notified in your email that your order has been placed. Now simply wait for the delivery details to come. Do not worry, a detailed guide regarding all the price event will be live. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Place your order for novice tire and trooper tire. Also, I'll update you if the system is same or the form is same. Do not worry, all things will be covered. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.